Apa yang video ni?
Ay, video eh.
Video eh.
Ikit.
Doge kiliw ka ni. Apil video ko eh.
Yo, permission ko kanang mag-video ko kay maghatag ko kan. Hi, good afternoon. This is the house of Hanayuki and this is her grandpa. Hi, Yuki. And we're going to surrounding house of Hanayuki. And this is the kitchen area. Yo, pa-video ko na ha.
Madangila day, kung day nanik ah, o sana.
Nay, pasadlo ko na ya.
O saka na day.
Ha?
Day, kung bitana dito day. Bitana dito pa, abli, kaya nagkakat pa.
This is the kitchen area.
After magpupus kong maguwang.
They have a...
Ito pa, abli, bitana ba?
Ay, hi.
Bitana, mahayag ba?
Ay, gaman.
Ito pa dito, abli.
This is her granddaughter. Hanayuki is Hanayuki, she is no mother and no father. Since birth, she don't have a mother and father to take care of her. Only her grandpa take care of her. Then this is inside of house of Hanayuki. And Hanayuki is studying grade 4. Only her grandpa raising her.
Huwag ka muna na tao, dagang pa to. Dili na natula. Wala. Tuwi ko na na ito. Namo. Yung mama.
Excuse bibi. Excuse. Sa ginilang ito tanakas bay wag gid siya. Masuk ng laro eh.
Haladay.
Ay mo panganay. Name,
Name, Ignacia Rosalihos.
age,
73. Edad, nako. Ang trabaho, mamasura.
she is a scavenger and she also cleaning the road. That is her work.
Kusga.
My name is Hanayuki Imbong. I am 8 years old.
8 years old. Si Ignacia no?
Oh, Ignacia Rosalihos.
Ignacia Rosalios. Grandpa of Hanayuki is single. Ano siya? Single. Di?
Sa may English, apuhan.
Grandpa gani, grandpa. Oh. She is grandpa of Hanayuki and she is a single. Asa rin si Kuan? Ay! Thank you. Thank you. Hanayuki, thank you. Guillaume Doreen. Balik.
Thank you.
Balik.
Gayi.
Guillaume Doreen.
Thank you. Gayi.
Guillaume Doreen. Thank you.
Bye-bye.